guys, welcome to Brian's Garage. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of an H052 axle. I recently purchased this thing and I don't know a whole lot about it. I know it's got the 1/2-inch studs, so I guess that makes it older than 71, right? And it's an H052 because it's got the 11-inch drums. But I don't know what's inside, you know. We might find a gold mine, we might find a boat anchor, I don't know. But I pulled all the bolts out, and I haven't actually cracked open the cover. I've just hammered it open with my gasket scraper, and we're fixing to find out what's in there. Hopefully it's got a locker, I don't know, we'll find out. Somebody's been into it. Looks like there's a little rust on the thing, so that probably means the gears aren't any good, but let's... Oh, look at there. What's that? See that, guys? See that shiny, smooth spot right there? You know what that means? That means this thing does have a locker in it. Wonder what the man, the gears don't look very good. Pretty pitted up. That's what happens is you know, these things will sit for a long time, and the part of the gear that's above the oil level will pit up like this, and then the other side will look just fine and dandy. But this guy's pretty thin. I can't remember if thin is 410 or if that's 540 whatever, 47. But at any rate, whoop, there's so much junk in the back of the truck. I think we're doing all right because we do in fact have a locker. All right, I went ahead and ran a wire brush across some of this what looks like pitting. And yeah, it's pitted. You kind of see it there. I don't know how well that would run if somebody were to probably make a little noise. But I did notice that back in here, I don't know if you can see it down in there, but right back, whoop, see if I can get in there. Right there, it's hard to see it, but what it says is 1041, so this is actually a 410 gear, and that's right, they do get thin. And that's why they couldn't go to like a 373, because this would have been too thin in here. So it looks like we got a 410 gear with a locker. So I'm gonna say that's pretty good. That's not bad. There's some other good parts on here. I guess the guy had rebuilt the brakes, put a stainless lines on it, new wheel cylinders, new drum, so might be some useful parts in there for somebody. All right, that's it for Brian's Garage. We will talk to you later.